Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine, happy at home, okay, doing your work. So we have started revision, grammar, lesson 10. From today we will do revision of grammar which we have already done. Okay children? So lesson 10. It happens every day. We will do revision. We have already completed this lesson. Okay, children? So, now see here. Revision of grammar lesson 10. It happens every day. It happens every day. Okay? So, now see here. Look at the picture. Read the sentences. So what you have to do? First see the pictures and then read the sentences. Okay? Look at the pictures. Read the sentences. So see as the picture. Shaurya wakes up at 7 a.m. Shaurya wakes up at 7 a.m. Next picture is he gets ready for school. See here in the next picture. He is standing before the mirror. He gets ready for school. See in the picture. He gets ready for school. He is standing before the mirror. Okay children, see read again the two lines. Shaurya wakes up at 7 a.m. He gets ready for school. You all have understood these two pictures? Yes. Now see next pictures. See here the girl is having her breakfast. First picture. So Anju eats her breakfast. Anju eats her breakfast. See there is a red color word, okay? Red color, see? EATS, eats. Anju eats her breakfast. She is eating her breakfast. So the red color, it is highlighted word, okay? Eats. Now see in the next picture, the girl is waiting for a bus, school bus. Now read the sentence. She takes the bus to school. She takes. So the word T-A-K-E-S, takes. She takes the bus to school. Have you understood these two pictures? So here the word takes is in red color. Okay, it is highlighted word. Now see again I am reading the two sentences. You have to read with me. Anju eats her breakfast. She takes the bus to school. Okay children? So we have done this picture. Okay? So now I will show you next picture. So see here, the two pictures have come. Okay? So see the first picture. Teacher is teaching in the class. All the students are learning. And see one girl in the front bench. Now I am reading the sentence. Seema learns new lessons in class. So here the word learns is highlighted. Seema learns new lessons in class. Learns. Learns. Seema learns new lessons in class. Okay, children, you can read with me. Seema learns new lesson in class. Now see the next picture. All girls. See how many girls? 4 girls. They are sitting. They are having their lunch. So I will read the sentence. She shares food with her friends. So see the word shares. 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 She shares food with her friends. So the word shares is highlighted here. Okay? You can read. She shares food with her friends. So share is highlighted. Understood, children? So in the first picture, word learns, learns. The second picture, the word shares, shares. Okay? Now see here, I will show you. Yes, see first picture in this. Ella comes back home by bus. You can read with me. Ella comes. See the spelling of comes, it is highlighted, no? C-O-M-E-S, comes. Ella comes back home by bus. She comes back home by bus. Now see in the second picture. She plays in the park. So see the word, highlighted word in red color. P-L-A-Y-S, plays. Okay? She plays in the park. So see the first word, comes, C-O-M-E-S, it is highlighted. She comes. She plays, P-L-A-Y-S, plays. Ella comes back home by bus. So comes. And number in the next sentence, she plays in the park. She is playing, no? So word in the both the sentence comes and plays are highlighted. Okay, children? Very good. Now see, I will show you the next sentences. Yes, see here. One girl is having her notebook and pencil. She is writing, doing her homework. Okay? So see, I am reading the sentence. Samina does her homework. Does. See the spelling of does. D-O-E-S. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Samina does her homework. So you know the word? Spelling D-O-E-S. It is highlighted word. Okay? Yes. You are doing your homework, no? Yes. Okay. So now see in the next picture. She packs her school bag. See the word packs. P-A-C-K-S. Packs. She packs her school bag. Packs. P-A-C-K-S. Packs. Samina does her homework. She packs her school bag. You know now how to read she in the picture also. She is packing her bag. You are also packing your bag, at home. Yes. So see the word in the sentence. P-A-C-K-S. Packs. So packs, the word is highlighted here. Okay, children? So now, see the next picture. Hisham eats his dinner early. Hisham, H-I-S-H-A-M, Hisham eats. See here in the picture, there is a boy eating his dinner. Okay? So, Hisham eats his dinner early. Eats, E-A-T-S, eats. Hisham eats his dinner early. So, the word highlighted is here, eats, E-A-T-S, eats. Now see in the next picture. He sleeps at 9 p.m. He, S-L-E-E-P-S, sleeps at 9 p.m. He sleeps at 9 p.m. At night, see, he is sleeping. So the word sleeps, S-L-E-E-P-S, sleeps. Okay, children? So I hope you all are understanding very well. So the word here, the highlighted word is S-L-E-E-P-S, sleeps. So now see both the sentence I will read. Hisham eats his dinner early. He sleeps at 9 p.m. Understood, children? Very good. Now you all are knowing this. Okay? Yes. So now see here the highlighted words. We have seen highlighted words, the words red color. The highlighted words tell us about the actions these children do every day. We see that action words, okay, which was done by the children. They were doing every day. So, they were the action words. The highlighted words were action words. So, they tell us about the actions these children do every day. Okay? So I hope now you all know action words. So now see here. Yes, see now you all know action words. So you have to write your actions. If you have your notebook, take out your notebook, write down these action words. Okay, 10 actions we will write. So be ready with your notebook and pencil. Write down this. Okay? So now you have to note down the action words in your notebook which you have already done. Okay? This is your revision. You already have done this. So number A. In number A, you have to write Write down sit. S-I-T, sit. You sit every day, no? So, write in the heading also, write down actions, 10 actions, okay? Number A, sit. S-I-T, sit. Okay? You have done? Very good. Number B. In number B, write down drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Write fast. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Okay. In number C. Number C, walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. You walk every day? Yes. So write down walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Okay, children, have you written with, write down with good handwriting? Very good. Those who are writing, those who have written, write down heading. Okay, 10 action words. So now number D. Write down number D. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Sleep is also action words you do every day. You sleep no every day. Yes. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Now see number. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Number F. Write. W-R-I-T. Write. See your jump. Can you see jump? Yes. Jump. So J-U-M-P. Jump. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Okay. Very good. So write down write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Now see number G. Run. R-U-N. Run. R-U-N. Run. Okay. Write down fast. Run. R-U-N. Run. Number H. Wake. W-A-K-E. Wake. W-A-K-E. Wake. Completed, beta? Very good, those who are writing. So, W-A-K-E. Wake. Understood? Now see eat. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Write down fast. E-A-T. Eat. Okay? Very good. Now see number. Last word, J-C. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Okay children, have you all written, no? So I will read once again. These actions you do every day. Sit, drink, walk, sleep, jump, write, run, wake, eat, play. You have written in your notebook? Yes, very good. If you have finished this exercise in your notebook, okay, you have done revision also. Okay children, very good. Now see exercise number 2. Match the columns to make sentences. Now you have to write sentences. You have to match it. This we have already done. Okay. So first we will read this A, B, C, D. And then we will read 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first, cats, I, bears, dogs, policeman, Surya, rabbits, a horse, Miss Kumar, which. We have learned these words. Now see, we will read the phrases. Okay. Teaches English. Book did you buy? Lives in a stable. Reads storybooks. Goes to school every day. Live in caves. Wag their tails. Eat carrots. Meow. Catches thieves. Okay children. So now see, we will match. Cats. What cats do? Cats meow. See, I have written A's. Cats meow. Cats mew. M-E-O-W. Can you see? Cats mew. Okay, sentence B. See, I read storybooks. See, a B have come. Okay. So, I read storybooks. This sentence. Understood children? You have to match the columns. 2 columns are given and you have to make a sentences. I read storybooks. Now see, bears. Bears. Bears live in caves. Yes. Bears. B-E-A-R-S. Bears live in caves. Now sentence B. Dogs. So what dogs? How we will make sentence? This is your revision, so you all be knowing this. Dogs wag their tails. Very good, those who know. Dogs wag their tails. 6 and 7. Okay. W-A-G, wag. T-H-E-I-R, their tails. T-A-I-L-S, tails. Dogs wag their tails. Okay. Dogs wag their tails. Number E is a policeman. So where we will add? What policeman do? A policeman catches thieves. See here, number E I have written. A policeman catches thieves. Okay, children? Very good. A policeman catches thieves. See now number F. Surya. Surya goes to school every day. Surya goes to school every day. Surya is a boy. Goes to school every day. This is your revision, no? So you all be knowing this. Rabbits. 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 What rabbits do? You know? Very good. Rabbits eat carrots. Rabbits eat carrots. Rabbits eat carrots. Okay. A horse. A horse. What do horse do? A horse lives in a stable. See here, sentence 3, see? A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. Mrs. Kumar. Now what we have to add with Mrs. Kumar? Mrs. Kumar. Miss Kumar teaches English. See here the word. Miss Kumar teaches. Teaches. Teaches English. 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 Miss Kumar teaches English. Okay, children? Very good. Which? Now see here, which? WHICH. It is a question. Okay? So, which book did you buy? So, see the last sentence. Which book did you buy? Okay, children. Now you all have followed this. So, exercise number 2. Match the column to make sentences. Cats mew. I read storybooks. I read storybooks. Bears live in caves. Bears live in caves. Say I marked C. Okay. Now D. Dogs wag their tails. Dogs wag their tails. A policeman. Number E, sentence easy. A policeman catches thieves. A policeman catches thieves. Surya. See number F. Surya. Surya goes to school every day. Surya goes to school every day. Rabbits. Rabbits eat carrots. Rabbits eat carrots. A horse. A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. Miss Kumar teaches English. See, I have marked I. Miss Kumar teaches English. Which book did you buy? See number J. J. Which book did you buy? Okay, children, now you all have understood. This was your revision. Okay, I hope now you all have done this revision properly. Okay, read this chapter once again and read all the sentences. Be safe at home, and at the last, thank you all.